Hey YouTube, what's up? Welcome back to another episode of Jazzy Time with your host Bailey. How's it going, everybody? I am going... Oh, wait a minute. Rewind. Today is day 17 of the 30 Days of NAIL-O-WEEN, and I am doing... We're going to call it New It Evil version. So I'm doing... This is the last clown I'm doing, I promise. We did, the last video was the cover, like the nice face of the clown, and now we're gonna do the evil one. I haven't seen anybody paint this one on a nail yet. It always seems to be like half a face, or you know, like just like the lines of the face or something. But I'm going to attempt the evil version. I'm going to show you guys the photo reference that I have. Yeah, so I like the way the other evil one turned out, so hopefully this one will turn out just as good. So without any further ado, let's do that. Alright, hey bunny hands. Okay, so for this one, again, using the same colors as the last one, I am using 1530, the white, 1613 black, 1545 is a ruby red, and 1601, which is a yellow. And I'm going to show you guys this is my palette. So I've mixed some like black and red and some yellow and red just to get different versions of colors, and this is what happens when I work. I'm going to use my pencil and block this guy out. Wish me luck. I'm going to try and get as much as I can. This one's pretty sinister looking. All right, let's start with our lines here. So in this picture he's sort of turned away, sort of. So, and there's a lot more features in this one versus what we're used to. So like I said, I've never seen anybody do this face of Pennywise, like in art, so I don't know if that's like I'm the first or if like everybody's just afraid of it because there's so much detail. But we're gonna give it our best shot here because he does have many rows of teeth here. He almost kind of is a little Joker-esque, if you catch my drift. Now, I haven't seen part 2, so nobody shoot me. So, yeah. Alrighty. Okay, so I'm going to leave my little sketch at that. And, yeah, wish me. Okay, so there it is. I absolutely love that. Like, I don't think I've seen anybody do this on a nail yet. So, I'm super proud of that. I love that so much. Oh my gosh. So, anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Like I said, I promise it'll be the last clown amongst the Halloween stuff. So, I hope you guys enjoyed that. And I hope you all stay tuned and stay jazzy.